decide to reincarnate at the same time with a specific purpose. Ogbanje spirits can be benevolent or malignant. It all depends on the individual's iwa. In Igbo culture, children who die suddenly are said to be ụmụaka nwụrụ ọnwụ Ogbanje. Those that decide to stay are then pacified in order to save them from this Ogbanje spirit. The easiest way Ndi Igbo identifies an Ogbanje that reincarnated with a malignant intent is through Afa, after which Ajo Ogbanje is used to pacify the Ogbanje spirit. This sacrifice is expected to be done repeatedly until the death of an individual. What do